My name is Jürgen Hohen. This tutorial or overview actually is about the 5 different VoIP tools, voice over IP tools that I've installed in the last year in the Service Cloud or Sales Cloud. 1, Vonage. Vonage is fantastic. Love Vonage. If you want a global footprint, Vonage is the original VoIP player. Highly recommended. But it's hard to install, but it's very Salesforce friendly. But you've got the biggest footprint. So if you want clear, fast lines, global for a call center in, the Philippines, and a call center in Germany, and a call center in France, right? All controlled through Service Cloud, then I recommend Vonage. I've had great personal experience with them, good support, not easy to set up, but it's a good system. RingCentral is number 2. RingCentral, in my opinion, if you want a central phone system, they're perfect. Good company, but for me, I wanted just one question answered: how to link them into Salesforce. Call support. Oh, thank you, Mr. Hohen. I had to listen to 90 minutes by somebody in the Philippines to tell me she wasn't allowed to answer my question. She had to go through the entire setup system, which wasn't required. 90 minutes. So, did I answer? Did I go through the whole script? Yes, you did, right? Did you answer my question? No, you can't. It's like, no, it's a waste. So they're too much into phone system setup versus true VoIP tool and all the Service Cloud functionality. Five9 and other smaller vendors are maybe great regionally. If you have the call center or the inbound or outbound close to the Five9 server, like if you're in NA103 data center for Salesforce and Five9 has its VoIP servers, right, in NA103 too, but then it's okay. Otherwise, my personal experience has been that their lines get staticky because it's a physics problem. You can't have servers only in the UK when you're doing American call center, because you have to back trunk to the VoIP server in the UK, then backhaul to the US data center, right? Then to your location, then back and back and back to then outbound call. Yeah. OOMA, fantastic. Love OOMA. Not that Salesforce centric, but super easy, great support, very cost effective. I think it's like 30, might have gone up per user per month. Has a ton of functionality. So if you're not using Salesforce, but you're using something like SAP, or you're using some of the AWS tools that are coming online, OOMA, period. Love the company, out of Florida. And the last one is PhoneBurner. It's for real estate people that want to just call. You click on like 10 people on the contact object or on the lead object, and it just calls down. And easy to configure, great technical support. So like what I did was I took their class, it's free. And you then say, oh, are you calling, say, a real estate broker? Okay, and there's different dispositions, client, etc. And you have those buttons. So you call, you can immediately say text or email or something else, and you have the disposition buttons, easy to change, right? Have tasks, you got to load it onto the task object too, and it just works. But it's pricey, it's around $200 per user per month. But it works, and it's easy to use, easy to configure, and it's Salesforce native. So it sits inside Salesforce. So I don't have that issue of you need to enable call tracking like you do with OOMA or with another tool like RingCentral, right? And those are the things. So, summary. Vonage, fantastic tool, tough to set up, number 1 globally. If you're a global company, you want to save money, do a VoIP tool, VoIP backbone, Vonage. They were the first. They still are the best, I think, in my opinion. RingCentral, you want a phone, old school phone system, that's how they're set up. Five9 is some of the smaller players. Like I could have a VoIP server right here in this room, and do VoIP, voice over IP. Yeah, static. OOMA, fantastic. And lastly, PhoneBurner. PhoneBurner is Salesforce native for salespeople, by salespeople. It's really by real estate people, but PhoneBurner is strong, but pricey, but easy to maintain. And you can get one seat. With that, thank you so much for comments. And I apologize for missing companies, but those are the 5 companies I've personally installed in the last year in the Service Cloud. Thank you.